Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is going to be the reading for you for the next 24 hours. It's going to be a special reading for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. So, what is going to come for you all today, Scorpios? If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, these are for your general energies. This card is for your relationship, and this card here is for your career situation. So, we will see what are the cards for your general energies. It's Justice, Five of Cups, and Queen of Swords. So, in your circumstances, you are someone who does everything in the right way, or who tries to do everything, make decisions in a very honest way. And you are a very intelligent person. You try to be really balanced, responsible. So, whatever choices you make, maybe in your career or in your personal life, you respect other people's ideas, suggestions, and you want a harmonious decision. So, you are someone with a logical mind, thinking clearly and making good decisions for yourself. And you are someone who is very flexible, and maybe the reason for you being so sensitive to others, or sensitive the way you are really balanced, maybe because you are a very sensitive person, Scorpios. You may, without people telling you what are their intentions, you see right through them, you see their heart, you see beyond their words, and that may be the reason you understand any situation with clarity, and you have a good understanding with this person. And maybe that is the reason you are simply feeling worried about something. Something has happened in this relationship. You are regretting that. You feel very sad for what has happened. Maybe there were some arguments, some stressful circumstance, and you're wishing today that you could have avoided these fights with this person you love. And you are feeling really sad today for having done that, having made this decision, or spoken those words. But you spoke those words because you know that this person is not having true intentions towards you, or true intentions towards this love. So they are hiding something. Their intentions are not good. They are not someone you can rely on. And their perception is different from yours. That may be the reason you feel this way with this person. You may have a level of understanding with them, but the way they are with you, their words or their actions, is showing their sadness, showing their regret for having, for being in this relationship with you. And though this person also regrets this love. They are also trying to bridge the gap you both have. So even they are trying to make some changes, Scorpios, but you are not aware of their efforts. You are not seeing their efforts because you are focused on what has happened. You are focusing on the past, whatever you went through. But today, if you want to move forward in this relationship, you must see what is happening today in your life, what is happening in your present circumstances, Scorpio. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Temperance. So in this love, with this card here, I feel that whatever you lost is coming back. So the love that is lost, happiness that has been lost because of these arguments or fights, is coming back to you, and you are healing, you are reconciling with this person. So this person will say sorry, make amends to you, or you are planning to tell them sorry and make amends, move forward, because you truly love this person and you want a beautiful understanding between you both. This may be your energy or their energy, but overall I see that whatever you wish for, the good times, whatever you enjoy together, is coming back to you today, Scorpios. So for your career situation, we have one card here, and it's Two of Cups in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, Scorpios, it is a very beautiful card. So some collaboration or partnerships offers are coming for you in your career. Sorry guys, in your career, and you are going to see greater success and prosperity, moving towards a greater potential in your career circumstance. Things are going in a good way. Though it may be a reverse card, it's a very positive card and things will fall into place. You have a good team of people helping you and working with you today in your work circumstances. So that is the energy here for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Scorpios. I will see you next time. Bye guys.